content. Where to get ideas, where to get content topics, and how you can content create social media content for your Instagram account, for your YouTube shorts, YouTube videos, and everything. So I'm gonna discuss about that topic. So today I'm traveling, so little bit of noise will be there, but I will try to make my points clear in very short notes. So if you are a coach who is like starting his business online and not sure that how you should start, the way you should start with content creation, so that you can gain some popularity or some impression in front of your audience and get some authority from your clients, right? Or authority from your prospect, those whom you might be serving. So for example, if I am a business coach for coaches, right? So how I decide my content, like how I decide my all of my 30 days, more than 30 days of piece of content. So here's something: you need to divide your content in among 3 categories. Okay, first of all, you need to understand your pain point of your audience in terms of health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, so generally I talk about wealth part more, because that is something I help my clients with. So I take content pieces in which I indirectly tell them about how they can increase their wealth, how they can increase the pain point which is stopping them to create more wealth. For example, my coaches must be doing webinars and lead magnet funnels or something on that, and so I tell them about how they can optimize it further, right? And so you need to deep down on the pointers of wealth category. So what are the pain points of your audience who they are facing in terms of wealth? So for my business coaches, in terms of wealth, they might be feeling that lead generation is their problem. Okay, it could be their sales is not right, their webinar is not perfect. Okay, and they do not have an organ content marketing formula, they do not have an outreach script, they do not know how to outreach on LinkedIn, Instagram, and places like that, right? So I create content on those topics. When it comes to relationships, I talk about how they can have a fulfilling personal life and work life balance. And in terms of health, I can say that how they can maintain their physical health and mental health while running a business online. So what they can exactly do, I talk about time management skills, I talk about how they can prioritize things, how they can delegate things. So you also need to very much understand about these critical topics, these critical areas of your target audience basically, and you need to dig down upon that. What are the literally pain points which are stopping your audience to get that achievement basically in terms of health, wealth, and relationships? Because these are the 3 things that are more importantly to any person in this. So your target audience is also might want to scale in terms of their better health, better wealth, and better relationships. So always talk about these topics. So I'm giving an exercise. So make a 3 column in which health, wealth, and relationships, and note down all the pain points of your audience which are stopping them to get that thing more basically. Okay, so for example, I talk about in terms of relationship, I say that my coaches are not able to have a fulfilling time with their partner, not able to spend their time with their kids. Okay, and in terms of wealth, I told them what are the business problems they might be facing. They are not able to create a team, they might not able to hire a right team. Okay, and all these points. So you can dig down upon these pain points of your audience and see how you can indirectly mix your offer into it and present it to them in form of content. Okay, like 5 steps how you can boost your web algorithm, 6 steps to overcome a toxic relationship in your life. So all these pain points are literally things that your audience want to hear. Okay, if you are in health niche, you can talk about why how it will be, how to get fitter in next 90 days by losing some inches without leaving rice and roti. So actually people want to lose weight, but they do not want to leave their favorite food. So you need to talk about these pain points in your video topics, and you can also follow your industry leaders in your coaching niche, and then you can decide which topic you need to speak upon and what topics you need to create. So have this ideology in your mind that you need to create about these three topics: health, wealth, relationships. So with this, I rest my voice. Thank you so much.